Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make a quick video about the Bitfinex crypto exchange because for all the people that don't know already, obviously, and they wanted to open an account with Bitfinex, but when you got to open your account you got a message where you have to invest a minimum of $10,000. Finally, as you can see, 59 minutes ago, this is the official announcement from Bitfinex on their Twitter account. So basically, they have removed the minimum equity required of $10,000, which means that now all the people that live in a country where this crypto exchange is supported, now you can open your account without any minimum investment required like it was before. As you can see in here, before it was required at least $10,000 of minimum investments in this account for you to be able to open your account. Well, I have gotten some messages from some of my followers that said that this was not true for their country. I don't know how, and I don't know if this is true or not, but I have tried this during 2018, and I always got to the point where it said that you need to invest at least $10,000, sorry, to be able to open an account. So now you can open an account with Bitfinex with no minimum investments. And as you can see, I have already opened my account. Obviously now I need to go on and verify my account, but basically to sum it up a little bit, what is good for Bitfinex is that, first of all, you need to know that Bitfinex leans toward, let's say, a professional account. So basically you have to be an experienced trader or an experienced user of the crypto exchanges, so you can be able to use Bitfinex, because in this crypto exchange you can trade. Obviously you can do normal trading, but you can do OTC trading, obviously if you are eligible for OTC trading. So let's say that you have to be a little bit experienced to be able to use let's say freely, or let's say easily, the Bitfinex crypto exchange. But there are good side, or let's say positive sides also, because Bitfinex is one of the most important in the world. Obviously they have gone through a little bit of dilemma during 2017 and 2018, especially regarding to the USDT or Tether US dollar, because there were claims that they were cheating a little bit. They did not have backed up all the Tether US dollar. But anyway, since now all is well, so they are still among the best in the world. But one good thing that I like about Bitfinex is that if we go to the Bitcoin price or any other coin that is supported by this crypto exchange, you will find the price of Bitfinex among the top 5 with the highest price. So basically, for all the people that are familiar and know how to do arbitrage trading, now with Bitfinex you can do that, because if we go to Bitfinex, let me show you a little bit. So we go to deposit, so you can see it very easily. You can deposit euro, you can deposit Japanese yen, pounds, sterling, pounds, and obviously US dollars. So basically you can use your bank account to fund and withdraw from. Obviously you have other crypto exchanges that can do this, but now with Bitfinex being the one that has the higher price from the other ones, especially the ones that are supported for that have support for Europe, you can maybe you can try and use arbitrage trading, because on Bitfinex the BTC price or other coins but mostly BTC, it's always higher than other crypto exchanges like Bitfinex, for example, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, Bittrex, which are crypto exchanges. You can use your bank account, or let's say a SEPA agreement account, which they offer very fast transaction and very low fees for doing that. So maybe if you are an experienced user and if you are following on arbitrage trading now with Bitfinex, you can try and profit from this, but be very careful, guys. Not is always what it seems, and if it's too good to be true, then yeah, it is, because obviously trading and withdrawing and depositing always involve time, always involves fees. So you have to be very careful, and you have to be very sure on arbitrage trading if you are after that, so you don't go ahead and lose your money. So be very careful with that, although you can truly profit from this if you are good enough and an experienced enough user to do that. So basically I think that most of people in Europe that are in the SEPA agreement territory, I think that some of them may find this thing useful. So basically, if you don't have an account with Bitfinex now, you can do that with no minimum investment and maybe try and profit from this thing. But anyway, this is just a small thing I wanted to mention to you guys. This is not the only thing which you are going to go after in Bitfinex, but just open an account so you can have it there, and basically in the future you may try and profit if something comes out on the way. But anyway, that was it. I'm not going into deep details for this crypto exchange. Obviously, as always, make sure to open your account safely. Choose a strong password, a password that which you can remember easily. Obviously, activate two-factor authentication. You can activate address whitelist. You can activate IP whitelist if you want to do that, but obviously they require time if you want to do deposits and withdrawals, so you have to keep that in mind. But anyway, at the beginning you open an account, and then step by step, after you learn how this crypto exchange works and what you want to do, then you can decide how do you want to set up this your account in this crypto exchange. But anyway, the safety should come first. As I am aware of, they have an application, also an app for your Android or iOS. I'm not very sure about this one, but let me check real quick. Yeah, they have an application on the Play Store. So I don't know if they have one on the iOS, but anyway, I'm not keen to use my crypto exchanges or my crypto in my cell phone, because I don't trust the cell phone too much as I trust my personal PC. So you can decide what you want to do with that. Okay then, that was it for today. I hope this was helpful for you, so you now know, and you can open a new account with Bitfinex with no minimum, and maybe try and profit from this crypto exchange. Why not? Okay then, that was it for today. As always, before we go away, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Also turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my new videos, and like and share my videos because it will help my channel grow. And yeah, as always, catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.